Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into SAP Ariba, a tool that is fundamental to modern procurement. To understand why Ariba exists, let's start with a real life scenario. Imagine a large IT company. Every single month they need to buy laptops, software, office furniture, and services from literally hundreds of different vendors. Now, if you try to manage that volume manually, it quickly becomes chaotic. Emails get lost, invoices go missing, and no one knows who spent what. This is exactly where SAP Ariba comes in. It transforms those complex purchasing processes into efficient, automated workflows. It takes us from chaos to source to pay concept. So, what exactly is SAP Ariba? Simply put, it is a comprehensive cloud based solution designed to manage the entire source to pay process. It connects your business directly with a global network of suppliers. Think about how businesses used to operate. Prior to Ariba, you likely had a disjoint approach using emails, Excel, and phone calls to manage the suppliers. It was messy. With SAP Ariba, we now move to a unified digital platform. All your suppliers are connected in one place, centralizing every communication and transaction. The best part, every purchase from the very first request to the final payment is tracked and approved online. This gives you total visibility. Why are major organizations adopting this tool? It really comes down to two things: automation and compliance. First, automated procurement. It reduces the manual effort and, more importantly, human error. Second, ensured compliance. The system enforces all the company policies automatically. Let me give you a classic example. Imagine an employee tries to order a pair of expensive headphones without approval. In the old days, that might slip through. With SAP Ariba, the system immediately blocks that non approved purchase. It only allows transactions with policy approved vendors at pre negotiated prices, effectively preventing the raw spending. You will hear the term source to pay or S2P a lot. This represents the complete end-to-end procurement lifecycle. Let's break down the five stages SAP Ariba manages. First stage is finding the suppliers. This is where we identify and qualify vendors. Second is negotiating the prices. We agree on terms and rates. Third is signing the contract. We finalize the legal agreements. Fourth is placing the order. We create and submit the purchase order. Fifth is receiving the invoices. Finally, we validate billing and delivery. Whether you are a manufacturing company needing raw materials or an IT firm buying software, Ariba manages this single integrated flow from sourcing all the way to payment. One of the biggest advantages of Ariba is spend management. This is about having complete visibility into where your money is going. When you have a clear overview of financial outlays, you can identify areas for cost reduction and get real time data on spending patterns. For example, if a finance director asks, "How much did we spend on travel last quarter?" You don't need to dig through filing cabinets. SAP Ariba instantly provides a detailed breakdown by department or supplier. This highlights immediate opportunities to save money. To To master SAP Ariba, you need to understand how the process is split. It is divided into two main categories: upstream and downstream. Upstream processes are strategic. This is the planning phase in which we select the suppliers and negotiate the contracts. Downstream processes are tactical. This is the execution phase: ordering, receiving goods, and paying. Here is the easiest way to remember the difference. Before you buy a new office chair, upstream determines who you buy it from and at what price. Downstream manages the actual ordering and payment for that chair. Let's zoom into upstream. This is the planning stage. It focuses heavily on supplier selection and qualification. There are three pillars here: strategic sourcing, in which we identify the potential suppliers; vendor qualification, in which we assess that they are compliant and capable; third, contract negotiation, finalizing the terms. If your company plans to hire a facility management vendor, the entire process of checking their credentials, comparing their pricing, and finalizing terms happens here in this upstream segment. Technically speaking, the upstream module comprises several integrated components. First is vendor management, which is also known as SLP, Supplier Lifecycle Performance. This is where suppliers upload their documents for onboarding, streamlining the qualification process. Second, spend analysis. This helps companies spot if they are overpaying a particular supplier. Third is sourcing. This facilitates competitive bidding, like a reverse auction where vendors bid for your contract. And finally, contract management. This ensures secure stage in which we store and monitor long-term agreements, like a 2-year service contract. Now we move to downstream, which is the execution stage. This deals with the seamless transition from a signed contract to actual ordering. The flow typically looks like this. Purchase request. Once a contract is active, an employee raises a request for goods. Automatic PO. The system automatically generates a purchase order based on the approved terms. Third, goods delivery. The vendor delivers the items and a receipt is recorded in the system. This sequence, request to delivery, is the core of downstream processing. Finally, let's look at the components that power the downstream module. Step 1 is procurement. For example, an office orders 100 laptops. The system generates the PO, ensuring it adheres to the price we agreed on upstream. Step 2, invoicing. The vendor submits an invoice online. Ariba automatically matches this invoice against the PO and the good receipt. This three-way match is crucial for preventing fraud. Step 3 is remittance. Once verified, the vendor gets payment confirmation, completing the financial transaction. And that is the full cycle of SAP Ariba, connecting strategy to execution. That's all from my side. Thank you.